Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating and verifying a Windows 10 recovery USB so you can boot and repair. Use an 8 GB plus drive and the matching ISO. This ensures system files align and avoids version conflicts. Once the USB is written, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and set USB first. Disable Secure Boot only if the installer won't run. Make sure to copy your important user files off the disk now and record any license key. This prevents data loss later and speeds recovery. Once booted to recovery, you perform automated and manual repairs that fix corrupted system files and boot records. Start with startup repair to handle common boot issues. If that fails, open command prompt for disk and system integrity checks. Run chkdsk to repair sectors, then sfc to restore system files, followed by dism to repair the component store. Next, rebuild the boot configuration with bootrec commands. Be aware drive letters may shift in recovery, so confirm C is your Windows volume before running commands. After repairs, remove the USB and restore BIOS settings, then try a normal boot to verify success. If Windows loads, inspect Event Viewer for lingering errors and update drivers. This prevents recurrence. If the system still fails, perform an in-place repair install using setup from the USB to refresh system files without deleting your files. If problems persist, revert to a known good system, restore point, or full image backup. This is the fastest way to recover a stable environment when repairs keep failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.